Good morning, everyone. My name is Vajiha Babar, and today I'll be presenting on managing project resources. My student ID is 9771933. In this presentation, we'll explore the intricacies of resource management through the lens of a smart irrigation system project. This system uses weather and soil moisture data to optimize irrigation. Let's dive into the introduction. Resource management is crucial for allocating resources effectively to achieve organizational value. In this work, we will examine a resource management plan for a smart irrigation system, which utilizes data about weather and soil moisture to identify the irrigation needs of landscape. We will estimate the project cost by assessing direct and indirect cost as well as performing an earned value analysis. Furthermore, we will explore different project budget scenarios ranging from optimistic to pessimistic. Let's start with the project stages. The first stage of project is initiation, where the focus is on identifying the key resources necessary to kickstart the project development for our smart irrigation system. This includes assessing the availability of skilled personnel, necessary technology, and financial resources as noted by Circuit Digest in 2021. The key assumptions in this stage are the availability of qualified engineers and technicians, obtaining access to tools and technology, and securing financial resources to cover initial cost. And the next one is the planning. The planning stage outlines how resources will be allocated, monitored, and controlled throughout the project lifestyle. During this stage, we estimate the resource requirements to mitigate potential risks that could impact resource availability. As discussed by Rafiq, key assumptions here include estimating requirement as per the project scope, allocating resources to maximize efficiency and minimize waste, and implementing a contingency plan to address unforeseen issues. The next one is the execution. In the execution phase, regular monitoring is essential to track resource usage and project progress. Necessary adjustments are made to ensure that resources are being utilized effectively to meet project objectives. Key assumptions during this stage include monitoring resource usage to address any discrepancies, maintaining team coordination and communication, and adapting flexibility to changing resource requirements. The next one is the closure. As the project reaches in closure phase, resource management shifts toward winding down project activities and releasing resource back to the organization. This involves assessing the use of human resources, materials, and time, as well as identifying areas for improvement, as outlined by McNeil in 2024. Key assumptions include prioritizing the successful development and performance of the system, and transferring knowledge to maintenance and support teams to ensure long term sustainability. And the next one is the flow diagram. This flow diagram summarizes the project stages from initiation to closure. As you can see on the screen, during initiation we identify key resources required to start the development process, which necessitates experienced engineers and agronomists to design and test the system. In the planning stage, the team allocates resources based on the project scope and timeline, making cost estimations and planning material sourcing. Execution involves closely monitoring resource utilization and ensuring team collaboration with the necessary tools and testing equipment. Finally, closure focuses on evaluating results, documenting key learning, and transferring knowledge to a maintenance team. As on in the project scenario, next let's consider these three potential project scenario. First one is the normal scenario. The project team successfully secures the required resources on time and completes the project with the available resources. Second one is the optimistic scenario. The irrigation system performs exceptionally well beyond expectations, leading to high demand and increasing revenue opportunities as discussed by Tekir in 2024. Pessimistic scenario. The project team might face delays, budget overruns, or quality issues that negatively impact the system's performance. In this scenario, new risks such as technical issues with sensors might arise, as highlighted by Thorelia in 2024. Next one is the project resources. Let's discuss the various project resources required. First one is the land. A smart irrigation system needs a landscape for implementation and testing. Assesses factors like soil quality, topography, and land availability to determine the optimum location. Second one is the labor. Human resources, including skilled workers, technicians, engineers, and maintenance personnel, are crucial for development. Third one is the capital. Financial resources are needed for project activities like design and development. This involves budgeting, cost estimation, fundraising, and financially planning, as noted by Zahid in 2023. Tech, and fourth and last one is the technology. The product is based on technology involving hardware and software like sensors, controllers, and communication technologies to make the irrigation system functional and smart. Next one is the direct and indirect cost. Project costs are categorized into direct and indirect cost. Cost include equipment and technology, which cost £50,000, labor cost, land acquisition, and the indirect cost is the operation and maintenance, training program, research and development. Understanding this cost is essential for accurate budgeting and financial planning. And the next one is the earned value analysis. An earned value analysis is a method for measuring project performance and progress. The formula is earned value is equal to planned value uh, percentage complete. This tablet shows the EVA for three different scenarios. First one is the normal. The project progresses are planned with the budget of £1,85,000. Optimistic, the project exceeds expectations with a budget allocation efficiency leading to a project cost saving of 10%, reducing the total cost to 1066 60 16,000 6,500. Pessimistic, the project faces significant challenges with cost overruns leading to a project total cost of 21,000. EVA helps in understanding the amount of work actually done compared to the planned progress, providing insights into project performance. In conclusion, effective resource management is vital for success of the smart irrigation system project from initiation to closure. A bottom-up estimate was done for the project cost and detailed planning ensured efficient resource utilization. This work provides significant knowledge of resource management and it is importance in managing projects. The success of the project can be attributed to effective planning, monitoring, and adaptation to changing resource needed. Here is the references of all my presentation. Thank